Dear students, in our today's class, we are going to discuss about the first type of primary memory. The first type is RAM, which can also be called as random access memory. Come, we shall see what actually the random access memory is, what are its uses, and what are the features. RAM is also called as a main memory of a computer. Okay, yes, it is also called as because it is a type of main memory, so it is also called as the main memory of computer. This is really the main store. Whatever we are working at present, all the things are stored in RAM, and it is placed where, and is the place, yes, it is the place where the program gets stored temporarily, because now at present what we are working, they are stored in the RAM temporarily, means for some time till we save that documents are working. When the CPU runs a program, okay, when CPU runs a program, it fetches means it finds, it access the program instructions, okay, from the RAM and carries them out. While working in the RAM, the program instructions which are present in the RAM, the CPU will access those program elements and it will take out from the RAM. If the CPU needs to store the results of the calculations, once the programs have taken out, if the CPU needs to store the results of these calculations, it can store them in RAM. Only the CPU will store the results in RAM. When we switch off a computer before saving our working document, if we switch off our computer, whatever is stored in the RAM gets erased before saving. If we have not saved our working, if we directly switch off our computer, then at that time the thing whichever is present in the RAM will not be accessed again, everything will be erased. And then it is a volatile form of memory. Volatile means it is a pure form of memory. Okay, and one more point of RAM is there. Now I am going to write and explain you the one more point of RAM along with this. The last point of RAM, that is random access memory, is types of RAM. Okay, continuation and last point. Okay, types of RAM, that is EDRAM, extended data output random access memory. While writing, you need to write completely random access memory. And second thing is SRAM, static random access memory. You have to write completely. Then DDRAM, double data rate random access memory. These are the three types of RAM. Okay, up to here, RAM, that is random access memory, is closed. Now come to types of RAM. First one is EDRAM, extended data output random access memory. EDRAM stands for, okay, extended data output random access memory. Then it improves the time to read from memory. The working of EDRAM is it increases the time to read from the memory on faster microprocessors such as Intel Pentium. This is the name of a microprocessor. It means this is the name of CPU. CPU itself is the microprocessor. Okay, it improves time to read from memory on faster microprocessors such as Intel Pentium. EDRAM was initially optimized for 66 MHz speed Pentium microprocessor. Okay, hope you have understood about EDRAM. In our next class, we shall discuss regarding SRAM and DDRAM. If you have any doubts regarding today's class, you can ask me personally. Thank you.